Hello, it's Dan from West LA Computer Expert. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to talk about how PC technicians' job descriptions will change in 2023. PC technicians, as we all know, are in charge of repairing, maintaining, and upgrading computers and other devices. They are critical to the smooth operation of our digital world. However, due to the ever-changing nature of technology, the job description of PC technicians has evolved significantly over the years. A familiarity with multiple operating systems and platforms, not just Windows or Mac, is one of the critical skills that a PC technician will need in 2023. They must be able to set up and troubleshoot a Dell desktop computer, an Apple iMac, an HP workstation, or even a custom-built gaming PC, for example. It's critical to remember that as technology advances, so do the skills and tools required to work with various devices and platforms. PC technicians in 2023 must be familiar with a variety of devices and platforms, as well as cloud computing services such as Google Drive or Dropbox, smart home devices such as Amazon Echo or Nest thermostat, and Internet of Things gadgets such as Fitbit or Ring doorbell. These devices are becoming increasingly popular and connected, and they necessitate different skills and tools than traditional PCs. As a result, a PC technician must be familiar with these devices. Another essential skill for a PC technician is good communication and customer service abilities. They frequently deal with frustrated or perplexed users who require their assistance. PC technicians must be able to explain technical issues in layman's terms, offer solutions that meet the user's needs and budget, and professionally handle complaints or feedback. They must also be able to work autonomously or as part of a team, depending on the situation. PC technicians must also stay current on technological trends and innovations. For example, they must comprehend how artificial intelligence, AI, can assist them in diagnosing and resolving issues more quickly and accurately. They must also be aware of the security risks and challenges posed by cyber attacks, ransomware, phishing, and other threats that can jeopardize data privacy and device performance. As a result, PC technicians must constantly update their knowledge and skills. If you want to be a PC technician in 2023 or later, you must enjoy learning new things and solving problems. You must also be patient and compassionate toward your customers who rely on you for their digital needs. That concludes today's video. I hope you found it interesting and useful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more similar content. Thank you for watching.